Hello, I'm Emily Fritz.
And I'm Reagan, and this is your Panther Beat for Wednesday, December 12th.
Seniors, do you need money for college? Check out the list of scholarships on the guidance webpage. Current scholarships include the Tuskegee Airman Scholarship, Bank of Edwardsville, and several more. If you're in Medical Explorers, be sure to turn in your available dates to Mrs. Lucas in the district office by Monday.
The Milburn IMC will be closed during 4th and 7th hours tomorrow. If you have a class in the lab, you should still report to the IMC. Additionally, the IMC will be closed during 5th hour on Monday. Please plan accordingly. If you took the PSAT in October, your scores are available. If you provided an email on the test, please check it for information on how to view your scores. See Ms. Ritzel in guidance with questions.
Now let's pass it over to the sports desk.
Hey guys, I'm Travis with Today's Sports. Congratulations to the Golden Girls dance team. The girls captured second place last weekend in both their jazz and lyrical routines. Congratulations to the boys bowling team. Our Panthers took home second place in the Abe Lincoln Tournament last week. The team was led by Cameron Rachel, Caleb Horton, and Josh Aron. Cameron bowled the high game for the day with the 298. Our girls bowling team brought home a first place trophy in the Abe Lincoln Tournament. The Lady Panthers shot an amazing 6,363, beating the second place team by 737 pins. The team was led by Mary Orff, Lauren Tomacheski, Haley Williams, Natalie Heltney, Maddie Thornton, and Grace Braswell. If you're interested in playing girls lacrosse in the spring, you need to attend an informational meeting on December 17th in Smiley Room 607. See Coach Printable with questions. That's all for me. Now let's pass it over to the birthdays.
Hi, I'm Michael for today's birthdays, Wednesday, December 12th. They go out to Marissa Viles, Mia Bridger, Nicholas Farmer, Harrison Clore, Jacob Knaust, Corey No, Karina Hall, Coriana Hall, and Keandre Turner. And a very special happy birthday to Mr. Matt Miller. That's all for me. Now let's pass it back to the news desk.
Now for your club news. Philosophy Club meets today after school in room 901. No fees are required, just show up. German Club celebrated with holidays a gingerbread decorating party. Krampus even made a surprise visit. Mr. Brooks and Mr. Bartlett dressed in full Krampus gear to celebrate St. Nick's Day. While St. Nicholas rewards those who have been good, the naughty ones are punished by Krampus.
Come experience a bit of African American culture tomorrow from 6:30 to 8:30 in the Smiley NPR with a Kwanzaa celebration. If you received an invitation to Saturday Scholars, be sure to turn in registration and fees to Miss Lucas in the district office by 3 o'clock tomorrow. No late registrations will be accepted.
That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.
Bye.
Bye.